Yes, I greetings. Welcome on this windy day in Jamaica. It is a full moon, and you know, so the constellation we have the ground what is above, so below. So, what's in the mental realm? It's a cream cake, and we have the ingredients here. So, let's get to creating, shall we?
Yes, so the first thing that we do is use our Vitamix. We are going to use the kitchen meal attachment to ground these almonds into a flour consistency. You don't need to sieve because we want to create a cookie dough consistency for our crust. And the reason why we use almonds is because almonds are the nuts with the most protein. We add our coconuts and our dates, spice it with some nutmeg, cinnamon, and of course cacao. Press that into the pan, and then we add our cashew cheese filling. And this cream is used with so many different savory and sweet dishes, but today we're going to use the dates to make it a sweet dish. You can add swirls, you can make it different colors and shades based on the amount of cacao that you add in each one, and then you do some latte art here to make the type of topping that you'd like it to freeze and set. You can add a darker cacao blend with some coconut oil and dates, and then you make this design. I was so high off the smells of the organic cacao. This Navitas cocoa powder is sourced from Organica in Jamaica, and I love it. It's the richest, most organic cacao I've found, and I use it in so many sweet dishes, milkshakes, of course cacao ceremonies. It's very rich. And you see, all you do to make the swirls is just run your knife in horizontal and vertical, sometimes diagonal lines. So when it freezes and sets, it will have this henna type of design. It is so beautiful. And after that, you just rest it in the freezer to set for 4 hours to overnight. Take some time in your hammock, and when you take it out, if you didn't do any swirls, this is what the design would look like. You can then go in to make your own design afterward. You could use cacao nibs simply to just top it. You could add some agave. Yes, agave is so rich. It's a natural sweetener, and it doesn't use any honey, things like that. And you can just make a drizzle on the top, and people seem to love it when I bring it out to the table and design it right away. You can just use a spatula and design it, or you can make an icing. My son loves banana, so I made this banana icing. This was for his birthday. So you see how many times you create the same cream cake method, and you don't have to miss your sweetness. We add the coconut shreds. Listen to me, this is very important. The fibers from dried coconut can really help you to regulate your blood sugar so it will not spike. Remember, we added coconut in the crust, we're putting coconuts on the top as well. By this time, if I was playing the audio, the children, I had to take out 2 children plates because the children were like, I want cream cake, I want cream cake. So before I could even get the proper knife, I was just cutting for them, slicing and slice after slice and slice after slice and slice after slice. This decadent, dairy-free, anti-inflammatory triple cacao cashew cream cake is delectable each time we decide to make it. If you decide to make this in your own home, contact me, Iyalode Ajay, at 1-876-779-1000 or at All Live Alignment to book your workshop.